Welcome to Review Mobile, your trusted source for the latest mobile tech insights. Today, we're diving into one of Nokia's most talked about upcoming devices, the Nokia Blaze Pro. With bold claims and impressive specs, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Design and build quality. The Nokia Blaze Pro brings a sleek, modern design with a premium aluminum frame and curved edges that offer a flagship feel. The rear panel features a glossy finish and a circular camera module that sets it apart from typical mid-range phones. It's also expected to come with IP68 water and dust resistance, adding durability to style. Display and performance. Up front, the Blaze Pro boasts a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling and immersive viewing. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor paired with up to 12GB RAM, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is equally impressive. The Blaze Pro is rumored to feature a 200-megapixels primary sensor, backed by ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. With advanced AI enhancements and 8K video recording, Nokia is clearly aiming to compete with premium flagships in the photography department. Battery life and charging. With a 6,000 mAh battery, the Blaze Pro promises all-day usage even with heavy tasks. It supports 65W fast charging, allowing users to go from 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. Wireless charging support adds convenience to its already strong battery game. Software and extras. Nokia continues its tradition of offering a clean Android experience, likely shipping the Blaze Pro with Android 14, free of bloatware and with promised software updates for up to 3 years. Additional features include in-display fingerprint scanning, stereo speakers, and 5G connectivity. Price and expected launch. While Nokia hasn't confirmed the official launch date, leaks suggest the Blaze Pro will debut in the second half of 2025, with a price range between 45,000 rupees minus 55,000 rupees in India. If priced right, this could be a serious competitor in the upper mid-range segment. Final thoughts. The Nokia Blaze Pro looks like a powerful all-rounder with flagship-level specs, premium design, and reliable software support. If you're looking for a high-performance device without entering the ultra-premium bracket, this might just be the phone to watch out for. Stay tuned to Review Mobile for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest reviews and mobile tech news.